So how can you pause all applications on the iPhone? And let's explain that. So if you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, in order to pause applications, you need to utilize either the downtime or app limits features, right? So inside of the settings app, locate the screen time section, and at the bottom entirely, or sort of like in here, you can find the downtime, right, which you can turn on or schedule it. And when a downtime is enabled, every single app will be paused except for those few that you do allow, right? So you go to the always allowed and you select the apps that you want to make sure that they work, right? So during the downtime, only those selected apps will work and other apps will be paused. The other way to do this is by utilizing app limits, which, as you can tell, is slightly different, even though it kind of gets the same job done. So you can see in here that you can set up limits for specific applications or types of apps and set up like a time period during the day when it's allowed to be used, but in other times you will simply not have the ability to do it. So let me know what you think below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorial. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.